Hey everyone, it's me again, Deckaway, with my channel Tech Odyssey. Today I'm here with another unboxing video for one of BLU's brand new phones, the R2 Plus. So the R2 Plus came out today, the 25th of January, 2018. Hooray! And it comes in this fancy purple box. So if you followed the progression of BLU's graphics and designs on their boxes, they've gotten classier and fancy even over the last year. And they started adding these little designs and colors and things like that. So it's pretty cool. So it's got this purplish indigo looking box here with different shiny stuff on it. Of course, the specs on the back. So I'll go ahead and give you the quick rundown on here, and then we'll open up and see what's inside. So we got the R2 Plus. It's got a 5.5 inch full HD curved glass display. Full HD meaning the 1080 by 1920 resolution, which is 400 pixels per inch, which is pretty darn fantastic. It's got a powerful octa-core 1.3 gigahertz processor at 64-bit architecture. It's got 32 gigs of internal memory, 3 gigs of RAM, a 13 megapixel main camera with LED flash front shooter or rear shooter, and then on the front it's got the 13 megapixel selfie camera with BLU's Final Touch software, and it also has an LED flash. So you can get those fantastic selfie moments at nighttime, low light visibility, all that good stuff. So we've got advanced security fingerprint sensor, micro SD support up to 64 gigabytes, 4G LTE up to 150 megabits per second, 3000 milliamp battery, and it's running Android 7.0 Nougat straight out of the box. And of course, following suit with the rest of BLU's phones, it has the premium metal housing design. Let's go ahead and open the box. Set that off to the side. Got our standard blue packaging. And I turned this on earlier, so you got the little flashy LED, which is pretty cool. So this is the BLU R2 Plus, and just to reiterate some of the stuff, it's got the cool little sticker here on the front, 5.5 inch full HD, 1.3 gigahertz octa-core, 32 gigabyte storage, 3 gigs of RAM, dual 13 megapixel cameras front and back. Well, but when I say dual, I mean it has two. It doesn't have two on the front and the back. 3000 milliamp battery, and the fingerprint sensor, which is conveniently located on the back. Now, one thing, and if you can see here, you saw a little green flashy light there. They changed the LED, so I'm super happy about that because I come from BlackBerry. I really like my LED notifications. The whole dual LED flash on the front, doubling as a notification light that only blinked one time, wasn't cool with me. So now that they have this smaller little green LED light here, it makes a world of a difference. So super happy about that. Just take a look at the form factor here real quick. It looks pretty standard. It looks a lot like the R1 HD from last year, but of course they enhanced it a little bit, got a better MediaTek processor in there, and got all around better specs. So that's cool. Another cool little implementation is kind of serrated. There's like a texture to the power button here, so you can feel it in the dark. I guess you can feel it during the daytime too, but it's also on the volume rockers. So instead of that smooth finish it's typically had, a nice change that I like there. So all in all, it's a sharp, smart looking phone. It's got a little bezel around the camera lens there. And then we've got the rear speaker down here on the bottom. So shifted away from having it on the bottom side, it's on the back. And I do like that. I'll give you a little bit more of a rundown on that in the review, but that's what we got. And then of course there's the LED flash up there. So all in all, pretty fancy. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. Oh, we've got our typical BLU TPU case here. It's got the translucent kind of the white see-through material here, and then it's clear on the sides. We got our power brick, and it says BLU there. Trying to see what this says. It's 5 volts, 1.5 amps. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but they got the lettering in here between the prongs. Got our earphones. Oh, never mind. And then we have our USB 2.0 cord right here. Now, this is a review device. Mine didn't have the earphones with it, but all the manufacturers' ones you buy it online, it will come with earphones. The normal ones with the little button for the mute, and just like all of the other BLU devices. You can check out some of my other unboxing videos and you can see it. So surprised to see that wasn't there, but rest assured the one that you buy will have it. And then we've got the typical BLU screen protector that comes with their phones. So straight out of the box, you've got security, you've got protection, you've got your power brick, you've got your earphones, everything that you need for your full all-around BLU experience. So that's about all that I've got as far as the unboxing video. Be sure to go ahead and check out my full review on AndroidCentral.com under the community review section. I will have a link posted down in the comments. Last but not least, you can pick one of these up for a limited special time offer while supplies last on Amazon for $129.99. The normal price is going to be $179.99. So not too bad at the higher end price, but $129 for a 5.5-inch screen, full 1080p, 3 gigs of RAM, 8-core processor. Not a lot of that out on the market's going to beat it. So do yourself a favor, check it out. If you're interested, go ahead and ask questions and pick it up while you can get it on sale. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it always. Go ahead and subscribe, tell your friends, and sound off in the comment section if you have any questions. That is all. Have a great day.